So friends, this is my site where I'm facing render blocking resources issue. I'm going to show you on developers.google as a speed test. I will check you out. I will put my URL, analyze it, and you can see the score that I have. The performance scores 81 now out of 100, and the major reason against for this, the contentful paint is also over like almost 3, and the major problem is eliminate render blocking resources. Render blocking resources is the major problem for it. Google says me that you need to reduce it or you need to fix this problem. Consider delivering critical JavaScripts and CSS blocking the first contentful paint of your page. So we need to fix it. How to fix it? Just go to the admin and go to WP Rocket, and the plugin I am using for the speed optimization, and where you need to go in the settings of WP Rocket is the file optimization tab. The file optimization tab. This is here are the many options that you need to use for speed optimization. The most important is optimize CSS delivery, where this is a cursor here. CSS delivery eliminates the render blocking CSS on your website. So you need to check this out, this option. It will ask you the warning. Just activate it, accept, and you can also see the other marks I have checked. Minify JavaScripts and load your efforts, delete JavaScript exceptions, and then save changes. Now wait for it. We have done. Let's see the result that we have made the positive changes or not. Just refresh your results. Now let's see. Oh my god, we have done it. 98 is the performance score now. Our speed is now rocket. The first contentful paint is 1 second loading in 1 second in green also, and the render blocking resources problem has been fixed and is not showing in the list now. So we have done the job. You can also do it by following this video. Thanks for watching.